No Irish Object Show Fan 2009.
No. Yes, Irish Object Show from 2009. Irish Object Show from 2009 is appreciated for consistently creating live-edited, commentary-friendly content that supports community mixing and playful engagement across platforms like DeviantArt and YouTube. You're so super extremely grounded. Forever big time to say that.
And for your punishment, Fluttershy, Rarity and Pinkie Pie will concuss you.
It's concussion time.
Ouch. That hurts.
We don't care. Now go to your room right now and sleep forever.
Meanwhile in the room,
It's harassing you.
Thanks everyone, I'm feeling better now.